Hello everyone, myself Ganesh Baburapon and my code is KM2041. Today I am presenting the seminar of pre-PhD coursework and the topic of my seminar is synthesis of 2-chloroquinoline 3-carbaldehyde and its derivative. We all of you know that the quinoline itself is one of the heterocyclic molecule and that quinoline containing aldehyde has received considerable attention to their synthetic reaction versatility in addition to wide variety of biological activity. This aldehyde were also used as a synthetic intermediate for the preparation of large number of heterocyclic systems. Heterocyclic compound play important role in the drug discovery. About 68% of available market drugs are containing heterocyclic ring in that moieties. Quinoline derivative display a wide range of biological activity like anti-malarial, antibacterial, anti-cancer, antifungal, anti-inflammatory or analgesic like activities. Hence, we are go towards firstly for synthesis of that quinoline containing aldehyde. For root of that synthesis of quinoline containing aldehyde is that firstly we take N-phenyl acetamide or we said substituted N-phenyl acetamide, that is a ortho, para or metamethyl substituted orthomethoxy, paramethoxy, chloro or 2,3-dimethyl substituted N-phenyl acetamide we are taking. After that, we can use a Will's-Meyer-Hack reaction for the synthesis of that 2-chloroquinoline 3-carbaldehyde. We know that the Will's-Meyer-Hack reagent, that is a POCl3 and DMF, when react each other at a 0 degree Celsius, there is a synthesis of that Will's-Meyer-Hack reagent. After that, adding of that N-phenyl acetamide and heating reaction 80 to 90 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 hours, we got 2-chloroquinoline and 3-aldehyde. After in your hand 2-chloroquinoline 3-carbaldehyde, we fuse one of the novel ketone with that aldehyde in ethanolic KOH at room temperature. Then we got alpha beta unsaturated ketone, that is one of the new moiety, because here is your ketone is a novel ketone. Hence, substituted 2-chloroquinoline 3-carbaldehyde, we got 8 to 9 derivatives of that alpha beta unsaturated ketone. After synthesis of that alpha beta unsaturated ketone, we use thiosemicarbazide for synthesis of pyrazole derivative. In ethanol, after reflexing 8 hours, we got that pyrazole containing derivative. We seen that the our target molecule, that is a pyrazole and a quinoline containing moiety is there, and we all of you know that the pyrazole and quinoline containing moiety has a lot more biological activity. Hence, we are target to synthesize that molecule, and that molecule is newly synthesized. Hence, finally, I conclude that we report a synthesis of alpha beta unsaturated ketone and its derivative as a new molecule. We carried out a reaction in a simple way. Mild reaction conditions are used there and increased product yield also with less reaction of time. After screening of that synthesized new compound show biological activity among of these synthesized compound. Hence, we are synthesized that alpha beta unsaturated ketone firstly, and after that using thiosemicarbazide, we can synthesize pyrazole containing and quinoline moiety containing that new molecule, and it shows biological activity. Finally, I am thankful towards my mentor, Dr. Bhagwan Singh Dhobal sir, HOD Department of Chemistry, Badrinarayan Barbale Mahavidyalaya, Jalna. And I would like to express my sincere thanks to departmental coordinator and one of my teacher, Dr. Bapurao Shinte sir, for kind cooperation and valuable suggestion. Thank you.